Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how you can unlock your iPhone passcode if forgot without computer and without losing any of your data from your iPhone. So if you have forgot your passcode, now you are not able to unlock your iPhone, then I'm going to show you how you can unlock the passcode without computer or without losing any of data. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. So first of all, go to emergency mode and enter this code star 4545 star 671214 star 2146 star the passcode you want to be. So if you have 6 digit, you can enter 123456. If you have 4, you can enter 1234. Then press the call button many times until your iPhone restarts. So you have to keep pressing, or you can lock your phone and try again until your iPhone restarts. So let me just try again and again. So enter the same code star 4545 671214 star 2146 star 123456, the passcode you want to be of your iPhone. Or if you have 4 digit, you can enter 1234. So enter the passcode, try again and again, and your iPhone will restart automatically. So just keep trying. So you can enter your code again. Now as you can see, my iPhone has been restarted automatically. So just wait for it. So I'm gonna speed up the video. Once your iPhone is restarted, you will see this iPhone unavailable for 1 minute. So you have to wait for 1 minute. Now you have to enter the passcode that you have entered. So in my case, I just entered 123456. Now as you can see, the iPhone has been unlocked without losing any of data. So hope this video helped you. If it does, then leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching.